wholesome, nutritious food is vital in helping our world progress and meet ever greater challenges. Aware of the importance of this, from the very outset, we set our sights on becoming a leader in the international agri-food market. Key to this has been the efforts of a singular work team. Hard-working, dedicated and enthusiastic men and women who contribute each day to excellence, grounded in our hallmark values. The enterprising spirit of our people is reflected in our diversified business operations, which include the production and commercialization of chicken, pork, turkey, and salmon meat, reaching consumers under renowned brand names that continually contribute new and innovative alternatives to the market. Through our focus on simplicity, austerity, and respect for our surroundings and the environment, we have forged a long history of supplying nutritious food, generating jobs, and building a solid foundation for growth in an increasingly competitive world. AgroSuper initiated its poultry operations in 1955 with the production of eggs in Doñihue, a village located in the region of Libertador Bernardo Higgins, in the country's central zone. Through its visionary leadership, the company branched out into chicken meat production. In 1960, it began marketing its products under the brand name Super Pollo. Today, the company controls the entire chicken production process, which begins with the importing of grandparent hens from the United States. The eggs from this stock are incubated in modern hatcheries to produce the broiler parent breeders. Finally, the broiler chicks are raised on company-owned farms. All of the feed required to raise the chickens is manufactured in advanced plants, which furnish a continuous premium grade supply, essential to safeguarding the quality of our products. The company's processing plants, located in the nation's central south zone, feature state-of-the-art equipment to assure a high-quality cold chain, product innocuousness, and traceability. Systems backed by international certifications that are periodically audited. All of these factors have made our brands Super Pollo, Pollo's King, and Pancho Pollo unrivaled leaders in the nation's chicken meat market. At the international level, our main markets include the European Union, the United States, Mexico, China, South America, and Japan. Through its steadfast commitment to diversification and years of experience in the poultry business, 29 years later, in 1984, AgroSuper began producing and commercializing pork products, distributed in Chile under the brand name Super Cerdo. We meticulously control each phase of the pork production process. As part of this vertical integration strategy, all of our feed is produced in advanced plants, located in different parts of the country, to provide our swine with a carefully monitored, nutritious, and balanced diet. All of our swine farms have modern installations meeting strict international animal care and environmental standards. As a result, the pigs are raised in comfortable buildings under rigorous biosecurity conditions. The processing plants are equipped with state-of-the-art systems, certified compliant with the highest international standards. Here we produce a variety of fresh pork cuts, as well as processed pork products, including sausages, salamis, hams, and hamburgers, all manufactured in highly hygienic conditions. and according to exclusive recipes to satisfy the varied tastes of demanding consumers around the world. As a result, in just a few years, our Super Cerdo brand has positioned itself as a leader in quality and freshness in each of its markets worldwide. In 1967, a visionary group of entrepreneurs in the coastal city of Valparaiso created Sopraval, a leading producer and distributor of turkey meat. In 1996, an important percentage of Sopraval was acquired by AgroSuper. 14 years later, in 2010, the company became virtually a wholly owned subsidiary. Today, it is the second largest turkey meat producer in Latin America and the first in the region to export products to Europe. Sopraval is endowed with a totally integrated production system, fulfilling stringent sanitation standards to ensure optimum product quality. In the Valparaiso region, we have numerous turkey farms, a feed plant, and a processing facility. All production stages are developed in complete compliance with strict international food safety and innocuousness requirements, thereby assuring the outstanding quality of Sopraval's fresh turkey meat products for demanding consumers in Chile and around the world. To continue diversifying its operations, as well as build on its years of experience in the agri-food industry, in 1989, AgroSuper entered the salmon production sector, establishing Los Fiordos. Today, Los Fiordos has 5 advanced hatcheries, producing 100% of the company's ova and smolts to meet all of its Atlantic and coho salmon production requirements. Each center is managed according to a strict sanitation control program and features state-of-the-art technology. In the Waitekes Archipelago and Puyuhuapi Channel, Los Fiordos has its farming centers, where the salmon are raised and fattened under direct supervision with a carefully monitored biosanitary chain and an environmentally friendly cultivation process. As part of its efforts to assure strict control over the entire production system and the complete traceability of all of its products, the company has a modern salmon feed plant near the village of Pargua. To safeguard the freshness and quality of the final products, a closed wellboat system is used to transfer the fish from the farming centers to the processing plant. This facility, located in Cayon on Chiloé Island, is the most modern of its kind in South America and is certified compliant with the highest international standards for assuring product innocuousness and quality. A key feature of this plant is that the fish enter the installation alive, which maximizes the quality of our fresh and frozen products for demanding markets around the world. Over the years, AgroSuper has developed an efficient national distribution system, allowing it to assure the opportune delivery of its fresh products to the most remote corners of the country, from Arica to Punta Arenas. In addition, to satisfy the needs of our international distributors and clients and adapt our products to local consumer tastes and eating habits, we have established commercial offices strategically located in key cities around the world, such as Sao Paulo, Mexico City, Geneva, Atlanta, Tokyo, Shanghai, and Hong Kong. Today, our products are preferred by millions of consumers and clients in Chile and worldwide. Large volumes of chicken, pork, turkey, salmon, and processed meats are primarily exported to Japan, South Korea, Singapore, China, Russia, Croatia, Africa, Italy, the United Kingdom, Germany, France, the United States, Mexico, Canada, Cuba, Argentina, Brazil, Uruguay, Peru, Colombia, and Ecuador. By developing highly motivated and enthusiastic work teams, AgroSuper subsidiaries have advanced to become the nation's agri-food industry leaders. To achieve this, the companies have conducted technical and trade training programs, not only to assist workers boost their proficiency levels, but also to expand their work opportunities and those of their families. In AgroSuper's training and development centers, the first of their kind in the country, employees in all tiers and areas of the company receive high-level, comprehensive professional preparation for the certification of their technical as well as behavioral competencies. In addition, through our ongoing social commitment, we have made important contributions to improving the quality of life of the nation's citizens. As part of this effort, in 2001, we established Fundación AgroSuper, a foundation that in turn created and now supports Los Cipreses, a school located in the community of La Miranda, providing free of charge education and training based on Christian values to more than 900 area children. Another key factor that explains AgroSuper's strong progress is the environmental stamp of its companies, a reflection of their abiding concern and respect for the areas and communities in which they operate. Voluntary initiatives have included the implementation of innovative effluent treatment plants as part of our ongoing program to mitigate all negative production externalities and thereby assure that our operations are sustainable and in harmony with the environment. We are especially proud that AgroSuper was the first agribusiness company in the world to issue greenhouse gas reduction certificates accredited by the United Nations. Another concrete example of an initiative taken to help reduce climate change and our commitment to protect the local and global environments. Respect for universal values, adherence to the very highest ethical standards, and a never-ending quest for efficiency have been the mainstays of our growth and success. Work that is truly effective, understood as a collection of daily virtues expressed through every action, is essential to reach goals and face new challenges. That is how we have made history. The important place we have earned on the tables of millions of families around the world is a clear reflection of the high degree of confidence and trust in our seal of quality and excellence. Inspired by the same dream that has been driving us since our establishment over 50 years ago, we will continue to build new roads for progress, providing jobs and better quality of life to thousands of people. And of course, to strengthen our growing leadership in contributing to the world's economy and nutrition. AgroSuper, nurturing the dreams and the future of Chile and the world.